How to transfer Litecoin from Coinbase to Binance. What up YouTube, it's your boy Jermaine back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to transfer Litecoin or Ethereum or Bitcoin, either one, but in this video I'm just going to use Litecoin as an example because the fees are cheaper on Litecoin. I'm going to show you guys how to transfer Litecoin from Coinbase to Binance. So why would you want to transfer Litecoin from Coinbase to Binance? Well, if you guys know, on Coinbase is a very nice, simple to use app, but there's one problem with Coinbase. However, there's a problem with Coinbase. There's only 3 tokens to choose from: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Let's say you want to purchase other altcoins such as Ripple or IOTA or Cardano or Dash or Monero. Well, you can't purchase any of these tokens on the Coinbase app. However, you can purchase these tokens on Binance app. Alright, you want to come over to the Binance website and go up to the top right corner, and you guys might want to hit register if you're new, but I'm going to hit login. I will leave a link in the description below. You can sign up for Binance. It's a pretty cool broker account. You can purchase I want to say around 100 plus tokens or other cryptocurrencies. So it's a pretty good one. So I'm just going to log in here really fast. Once you log in, you're going to have to complete these puzzles. And what you do is you just drag this thing over. This is to make sure you're not a robot or a hacker. And then from here, you want to, I have Google Authenticator set up on my phone. So this is an extra step of security. If you have any accounts online, this is another way to protect yourself against hackers. It makes it a little bit harder for someone to hack. I have to go to my cell phone now and enter a code from my cell phone in here so this can go through, and here's the code right here. This code changes by the time, so I think every 15 seconds the code changes. Yay! So I'm in my account now, and here is my account. So this is all my tokens that I have here. And now if you have an account, your account may look a little bit different for the deposits and withdrawals. I have this here, hide zero balances. If I unclick hide zero balances, it would look like this. But since I don't have money in any of these, I'm just gonna hide the zero balance. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to transfer money from Coinbase to Binance. So I'm gonna transfer Litecoin, and here is my Litecoin holdings here. I transferred some Litecoin yesterday, and then I believe I bought some Conero yesterday, and Conero went up. Not bad, not bad. So we're gonna go over to deposit because this is Litecoin. Now this is very important that you guys, if you're sending Litecoin from one address to another address, it's very important that you make sure that you're sending it to the correct location. So you wanna hit deposit. Once you hit deposit, you're gonna get one of these pop up on the screen. These are really awesome because this makes it really easy to send cryptocurrency online, and this helps you from making mistakes. So now I'm going to go to the Coinbase app here, and I'm going to go over to my accounts. I'm going to go to my Litecoin wallet, and I am going to send some Litecoin over. So to send Litecoin over, you just go up to the top here, top corner. For the sake of this video, I'm going to send 100. Let's just send $75 just for the sake of the video, or let's just send 100, round numbers. So we're gonna send $100. Now, where am I gonna send this $100 to? Well, I want to send the $100 to that thing. So you come over to the Coinbase app and you hit this button here. I don't want to hit it directly in front because it's gonna scan it, but I'm gonna hit this button here. And you're going to get this QR code scanner on the phone. You see this QR code scanner? What you want to do is just flash it right over like this. Bam, you see? All the information just showed up here on the phone. the address, the amount, all of that. I'm gonna hit send. After I hit send, it's gonna ask me to unlock my, I need to put my PIN in basically. So here we go. I'm gonna put my PIN in, and then bam. As you can see, I just sent the Litecoin. So let's go over here and we're gonna hit the transaction, and you can see there's 100 that's been taken out and it's pending. Okay, so let's go over to this other account, because I believe a lot of people sort of freak out after they send money, or no, not after they send money, after they send crypto. A lot of people freak out because they're like, it's not showing up, it's not showing up. And I want to talk about that, because if you're sending Bitcoin, it's going to take a whole lot longer to show up. That's why I did not send Bitcoin in this video. So I'm going to refresh the balances here, and it hasn't hit yet. Nice, this transaction is almost done confirming. Here you go, guys. As you can see, the money just showed up in my Litecoin wallet here. Now, I have a couple options from here. I could just leave the money in Litecoin in this wallet and just, ride the price of Litecoin going up or going down. Or I could go over here and I can take the Litecoin. I'm getting a notification on my iWatch. I can go over here, I can take the Litecoin and I can sell it for Bitcoin. And this way I can purchase more altcoins with Bitcoin. And don't looks like, did I click on the right thing? No, I clicked on IOTA instead of Litecoin. Pretty much the same thing. Where is Litecoin? Litecoin is right here. Here's Litecoin. And if I want to sell Litecoin, I could just come over here and, sell Litecoin for Bitcoin. And I could, I'll have more Bitcoin available to purchase more altcoins here. And there's a bunch of altcoins here. These are the BTC markets, the Bitcoin markets, and then here are the ETH markets. So if you had ETH and you want to trade with ETH, you could trade with ETH here very, very easily. And then here's back to the BTC markets, which I believe there's going to be more. There's going to be way more on the BTC markets versus ETH markets. But you can, I'm pretty sure you can find what you're looking for. Now, not every altcoin will be on Binance. Some sites you may have to, for some coins you may have to look for other brokers or special brokers. But I really like Binance. It's pretty cool. They make it pretty simple for the most part. I will leave a link in the description below if you guys are interested, if you want to purchase other altcoins using Binance. It's pretty simple to sign up. To sign up, it takes, less than 2 minutes. And you deposit Bitcoin, you don't deposit USD. On Coinbase, you can deposit cash and you can transfer it into Bitcoin. Here, you can only transfer Bitcoin, or you can only transfer tokens. You can't transfer cash. You can't link this to your bank account and put cash in. So that's one difference with this account. You might want to still have a Coinbase account open, so your Coinbase account can be like your gateway account to cryptocurrencies. And also the fees on Binance are so much cheaper. Let me just show you guys an example of some of these fees on Binance. They're so much cheaper than the fees on Coinbase. And I'm going to make another video to teach you guys how to get around the Coinbase fees. It's pretty dang simple. If you look at the fees here, you see how it says 0.10 and it has a line through. And then the new price is 0.050, which is like so freaking small. It's like micro. So the fees here are pretty dang low. I'm really liking the fees here. I'm really digging the fees. The fees are super low here. I really like the fees. I think a lot of you guys will appreciate the fees on Binance as well. But I just want to wrap this video up. I want to make a quick video how to show you guys how to transfer money from your Coinbase account to Binance account, because you can purchase a whole bunch of other cryptocurrencies on Binance, and Binance is a pretty cool platform. But anyway, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and peace out. Hey, you guys accept Bitcoin? Okay. All right, thanks. Y'all folks over there accept Bitcoin? Oh, y'all do? Okay, cool. Okay, thanks.
Alert from System UI server. Low battery. Alert from low battery.
Hey, how you guys doing? Y'all accept Bitcoin? Oh, you do? So Bitcoin is a digital currency. And since the creation of Bitcoin, the price has just increased like crazy. Like the first Bitcoin was around 5 cents, and now Bitcoin is it's getting close to $20,000 for one token. Yeah, it's definitely something that you wanna check out in the future. Actually, I got a link, a Coinbase link. I can send you my link, and you and we both get $10 of free Bitcoin when you deposit 100. Yeah, I tell you what, if you send me a phone number, text me a phone number, I'll send you my link. Yeah, you and we get $10 in free Bitcoin.